What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra first videos and photos from the quad cam of the flagship camera that was sold too early. Also Samsung's impressive 3D projection builds up the Galaxy S23 hype. Samsung is famous for hyping up major product launch events. With the innovative marketing techniques, the company is preparing to launch the Galaxy S23 line and the Galaxy Book 3 lineup on February 1st. And it has set up an impressive 3D projection in Italy to tease its upcoming high-end smartphones. After an early honor of a Galaxy S23 Ultra from Nicaragua, published night shots and some zoom shots on Twitter a few days ago. Further visual materials from the quad cam of the new Samsung flagship is now followed on Instagram and YouTube, including the first videos, partly also created with 8K 30 FPS. Anyone who has followed the leaks of the Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra in recent days will already know the name Edward Urbina. He is one of those lucky owners of the Galaxy S23 Ultra models sold early in Nicaragua after local dealers there apparently received a load of the coveted Samsung flagship and sold it right away well before the official start of sales. We have already reported twice about photos from the Galaxy S23 Ultra camera that the early Galaxy S23 Ultra owner published on his Twitter channel, but most of these posts have since disappeared. Possibly a targeted DMCA attack by the manufacturer. As an alternative, the user's other social media channels are now in focus if you want to continue to follow his posts. For example, Edwards has uploaded the first video samples from the Galaxy S23 Ultra's camera to his new YouTube channel. The first was even created in the new 8K 30 FPS mode of the Galaxy S23 Ultra model. However, all three can only be seen on YouTube with a maximum of 4K 60 FPS video. On the other hand, in Milan, Italy, Samsung has set up an impressive looking 3D video projection system in its building that's called Samsung District. The Galaxy S23, Galaxy S23 Plus and Galaxy S23 Ultra will be unveiled on February 1st, 2023 during the Galaxy Unpacked 2023 event in the US. The upcoming phones are expected to bring much faster performance thanks to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 for Galaxy processor, LPDDR5X RAM, and UFS 4.0 massive storage. Low light imaging and video quality have been increased, and the three upcoming phones could feature an upgraded selfie camera capable of recording 4K 60 FPS HDR videos. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.